Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Garage Box puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga. Difficulty level of the Garage Box puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 yellow parts inside the frame, inside the garage. This puzzle requires a little bit of assembling before you start solving it. This lid comes separate from the box. You have to add some glue here, attach it to the frame, and then you can try to solve the puzzle. Here is one interesting detail. There is a lid here in this garage, and when you lock it, there is plenty of space inside. But when it is opened, it occupies some space which you can't use to put the parts inside. And that's how it affects the puzzle. You can put one part inside, you can actually put 2 parts inside, but then when you want to put another piece inside, there is not enough space, first of all. And second, even if there is enough space, you have to lock the opening, and you can't do that when there are parts here. So you have to find the correct assembling where you will be able to fit all 4 parts inside and then lock the door of the garage. It will be quite a difficult puzzle, difficult to find solution. First of all, you have to find how to assemble 4 parts inside the frame and then figure out the way how to put them inside and lock the door. Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga created a lot of interesting puzzles that are quite unusual for such kind of packing puzzles, and the Garage Box is one of them. You have to think really hard before you will be able to find the correct way to put everything inside the box. If you like the Garage Box puzzle and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.